This is the second strategy on how to make change. So let's say, for example, again, I end up buying a pencil for $2.33, but I pay with a $5 bill. Okay, so this is how much I paid. This is how much the item cost. Okay, so the traditional way of doing it would be to just do subtraction across zeros. So make sure that when you are subtracting money, that your decimal points are lined up perfectly. Something that might help you is if you draw out the $5, because that's going to help you understand why it's important to regroup. So right now I have $5 right here. Okay, all right, so I'm at $5 and I'm going to start looking at how much. So these are going to be our dollars, dimes, and pennies. So I need to take away 3 pennies from 0 pennies. Well, I cannot do that. Something that might help you too is organizing this way. So let's do our dollars, and these are going to be our dimes and our pennies. We don't have any pennies to subtract from, so let's look at our dimes. Do we have any dimes? No. So what we can do is we can go to our dollar. We can go ahead and take one of our dollars here and move it and break it up into our dimes. Well, how many dimes are in a dollar? 10. So we're going to go ahead and draw out our 10 dimes. Let's take a look here. We no longer have $5 in our dollar bills. So we have 4, but we have now gained 10 dimes. $4 plus 10 dimes is still $5. All right, let's go back to our original problem. We still need to subtract 3 pennies from 0 pennies. We cannot do that. Well, we know that there's 10 pennies and 1 dime. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take one of our dimes and we're just going to regroup it into our pennies. And now we're just going to go ahead and draw out 10 pennies. Okay? Because really 10 pennies is the same thing as this dime. So all we're doing is we're just really kind of moving all our different dollars, dimes, and pennies around. All right, let's look back at our problem. Do I still have 10 dimes in the dimes? Nope, I don't. I have 9 now. But now I do have 10 pennies. So I no longer have 0. So now I'm just going to go ahead and subtract. I know that 10 minus 3 is going to be 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And that is how you can use a traditional algorithm to find change.